Hello viewers, how are you? Welcome back to NEX TECH. I am Marco Provo and today I'm going to review this Boat Airdopes 141 True Wireless Earbuds. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. Subscribe our channel NEX TECH for more quality tech videos and press the bell icon and press all to get notified every time I upload a new video. Here is the box packaging of Boat 141 TWS. Here the price is mentioned as 4490, but actually it's priced at rupees 1000 on online websites. I have the white purity color variant here. It's also available in two other colors. After opening the box, first thing is the earbuds itself inside the case. Then there are some documentation, catalog, extra pair of ear tips, USB to Type-C charging cable and a port head sticker.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life. Is this?
So first, let's talk about the build quality of this Boat 141. And this made out of good quality of plastic. It has the matte finish. The box and the earbuds both has the matte finish, and the box is quite large as you can see, so it's difficult to fit in the jeans pocket. That's quite annoying, but the earbuds is quite good. The earbuds design is very good in my opinion. It has a silicone tip, so it's very comfortable during gym and during everyday travel and everyday listening. And also it's made out of good quality of plastic. That's a plus point. And the speaker grill is also metallic, so it's very durable. So now let's talk about the sound quality of this Boat 141 TWS. So it has overall good sound quality. It has a good bass, it has very good mids, and the high is also average decent on this one. And it has the environment noise cancellation feature, and it's quite good. And the sound driver on this one is 8mm driver, so that is also a very good thing on this. And another thing, if you listen to music 80 to 85% of volume, this is quite good, quite loud, and 100% it is very loud. So I'll not suggest to use the 100% cause it distorts the sound, so that became very bad experience for you. In 80 to 85% of volume, optimum, and very good for this Boat 141 TWS. Now let's talk about the battery backup on this Boat 141. So the case has 600 mAh of battery, and the earbuds, each one has 36 mAh of battery. So the company claims that it goes for 36 hours with the case and 6 hours on individual charge without the case. But in my testing and experience, nearly it will go about 4 and 4.5 hours. So that is very good for a TWS under 1000 rupees. So this Boat 141 earbud has a Type-C port and as soon as possible charging technology, which is a must need nowadays. So now let's talk about the microphone and call quality of this one. So it's quite average. You know, in any TWS under 1000 rupees the call quality is quite bad, but surprisingly on this one it's quite decent, quite average. And I have attached a microphone sample of this Boat 141. Please check that out also. So currently the audio you are listening is directly coming from the microphone of Boat Airdopes 141 TWS, and it is to give you an idea that how will be your call quality and if you're recording something, the microphone quality of this TWS. So please do let me know in the comment section what do you think about the microphone quality of Boat Airdopes 141. So this Boat 141 has a touch function on this one. So if you tap on it once, it just plays or pause the song. If you tap on the right earbud twice, it will go to the next track, and the left twice to previous track. And if you hold this for 3 seconds, it will trigger the assistant like Google Assistant or Siri. So now let's try gaming with these earbuds, and here I found that it has a minor latency issue. So it's not for the competitive gamers, but if you are a casual gamer, so you can use this for gaming, but it's clearly not for competitive gamers. Now coming to the verdict, that should you buy these True Wireless earbuds under 1000 rupees, the Boat 141. So I'll divide this into pros and cons. First I'll discuss about the pros. So this Boat 141's pros are good build quality, good audio quality, good battery backup with Type-C as soon as possible technology charging, and the touch function on earbuds, the battery indicator, also the Insta-Wake and Pair technology with Bluetooth 5.0, and the IPX4 water resistance rating. Now let's talk about the cons of this Boat 141. So the cons are, this is quite large, as I said in the earlier part of the video. This is quite large, doesn't fit into the pocket, and it has a latency issue, so this is not for gamers. And the third con and the last con is the microphone. So the microphone is average on this one, not that good, so considering this as a con, but it's not actually a major con, it's just a minor con. So in this price range you will find in every Bluetooth earphone the mic is not that good, and this is not an exception. In this also the microphone is not that good. So that's it for today guys, and please do let me know in the comment section that what do you think about the Boat 141 and the comeback of NEX TECH. So please like the video and comment down below that what do you think about this channel and what video should we do in future. And please share this video because I need your support absolutely as a new YouTuber, and subscribe our channel NEX TECH to get more quality tech videos. So next week I will be back with another great tech video. Till then, bye bye.